Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector.
At present, Israel's Heron Mark 1 drones forms the backbone of Indian Armed Forces remotely piloted aircraft. The tri-services are dependent upon Israeli-made Searcher 2 and Heron UAVs for their ISR operation. These drones are medium altitude, long endurance or MALE UAVs used for ISR missions and has a limited range and endurance. India is planning to upgrade these RPs under Project Cheetah. Under this project, 90 Heron drones of the tri-services are to be upgraded. Earlier, it was reported that these drones will also be armed to carry out the offensive operations. However, in November 2023, the print has reported that India has dropped the plans to arm its fleet of Israeli Heron UAVs and now only upgrade Heron's communication capability to satellite connectivity to allow them to have better endurance. The Herons currently have an endurance of about 24 hours and can transmit back the live video feed and images of about 200 to 250 km range. The SATCOM link upgrade will give these drones unlimited range of transmission. As per the 17th July report from ANI, the Heron UAVs will be upgraded by HL with over 60% indigenous content. India has procured 4 Heron Mark2 UAVs also from Israel. These UAVs have been inducted by Indian Air Force and are deployed at Forward Air Base in Northern Sector. The squadron operating Heron Mark2 drones is now being called as Warden of the North, and it has been carrying out the surveillance missions along the borders with both China and Pakistan. The drone is equipped with satellite communication links and are the most advanced drones in the Indian Armed Forces inventory. The plan to upgrade Heron drones with weapons have been shelved as India is procuring MQ-9 drones from US. India is acquiring 31 MQ-9 drones, out of which 10 RPs will be made in US and remaining 21 is to be built in India. These high altitude long endurance or HALE class of UAVs have higher altitude of operation as well as endurance when compared to MALE UAVs. The local manufacturing of these RPs will give India the advantage of various technologies that can be transferred in terms of radar processing, sensor fusion, then some of the composites that are part of the aircraft, titanium alloy casting for undercarriage, and so many other payload integration of the weapons. In July 2023, the Defense Acquisition Council has given approval for the acquisition of 31 MQ-9B, which includes 16 Sky Guardian and 15 Sea Guardian RPs. The deal is estimated to be around $3 billion and is expected to be inked soon. Meanwhile, Indian Armed Forces has also started the procurement of Israeli Hermes UAVs. In November 2023, The Hindu has reported that 3 services have contracted 2 MALE UAV each through the 4th tranche of emergency procurement. While the Army and Navy have procured Hermes 900 manufactured by Elbit Systems, the Indian Air Force has procured the Heron Mark2 from Israel Aerospace Industry. The contracts have been concluded and the deliveries are expected early next year. Adani Aerospace and Defense, in partnership with Elbit Systems, which is called Adani Elbit UV Complex, manufactures the complete carbon composite aerostructures for Hermes 900 and Hermes 450 in its Hyderabad plant.
This was today's update. Please let us know your views on this in comment section. If you like the video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind. We'll soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in the defense sector.